Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Capital One stop using Face ID and now asks for your full name, username, and password every time? The fix is right inside your iPhone settings, takes 30 seconds, and no login to Capital One is needed. First, go to your settings on your iPhone and search for Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. Now scroll down to the list and you'll see a section called Other Apps with a list of apps that are allowed to use Face ID. Scroll through and look for Capital One Mobile. If the toggle next to it is switched off, tap on it to turn on. If the toggle is already on but Face ID is still not working in the Capital One, tap it to turn it off, then tap on it again to reset the permission. After changing the toggle, force close the Capital One app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Capital One, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and then reopen it. Then, it should ask for your Face ID now automatically. If Capital One does not appear in the Face ID app list at all, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, scroll down, and in the list find Capital One, then offload your app. And then reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Go to your App Store, search for Capital One, and then reinstalling. After reinstalling it, it will ask for Allow Face ID during the first launch. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, go to Face ID and Passcode, find Capital One in the list, toggle it on,